Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use margin trading on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top, as you can see, we have the traders, the lenders, the about, more, we have the sign out button, and we have the return to platform, and in the middle of the screen, we have the start trading button, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use margin trading on Bitfinex. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So first of all, what you of course need to do is go and of course to use margin, you can follow these 4 steps. So transfer funds to margin wallet. Ensure your funds are in your margin wallet. You can transfer funds between wallet on the platform. So you can basically, first of all, go and click on start trading. You have to navigate to the trading page, go to the trading page on Bitfinex, which is in the top left corner, as you can see here. Then select trading pair, choose your desired trading pair for the tickers box. Then open margin position in the order form, select margin on the top right corner. You can manually input a funding order to let Bitfinex automatically link it with peer-to-peer funding at the current market rate. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. As always, bye guys.